Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the buttons under your program monitor. Those little icons that control playback, export frames, loop previews, and more. Let's get started. The buttons under your program monitor are called transport controls. They let you do things like play and pause your footage, step forward or backwards one frame at a time, export a still frame, loop your preview, toggle full screen, and a bunch of other helpful tools. If you don't see all of them, don't worry. Premiere lets you customize which buttons show up. To customize, click the plus icon in the bottom right of your program monitor. That opens up the button editor. You'll see a grid of extra tools that aren't shown by default. Just drag and drop any button you want to the toolbar, like the camera icon, loop playback, save margins, comparison view, or toggle proxies. When you're done, click OK, and your layout saves automatically. Having your most used tools right below the monitor saves a ton of time while editing. You don't have to dig through menus, you just click once and keep working. For example, I keep export frame, save margins, and loop playback visible at all times because I use them constantly. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.